Hi, I'm Nick Ross for IT Wire. I'm with Sam Torbo, who's the Vice President for Cloud Strategy for ALE. Sam, who are you and what is your job?
Yes, so I'm Sam Torbo and I'm leading the cloud strategy for Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise. I've been in the company for quite a few years already. I'm located in France. I've been working in different areas from services to R&D to sales, and now back to the cloud strategy.
Okay, and how did ALE first come about?
So the story of Hailey is more than 100 years ago. The company has been built in France, and actually Alcatel means Alsace. Alsace is a specific region in France, and the CA means cable, and the TEL means telephone. Okay, so that's the origin of the name of Alcatel. And since that time, we've been through a lot of different transformation, acquisition, and we've been transforming our business from direct to indirect so far. So we are in an indirect business model, and we stick to this business model because this is very important for us. So now we are delivering communication network for the enterprise organization. We have a presence in about 60 different countries, and we rely on more about 3,000 different partners across the globe.
Okay, so what potential can you see for ALE's cloud business?
So the first thing is because of our history, we've been able to build a landscape of more than 40 million users on communication. And we have also a business of network, which is also an opportunity for us. So let's talk first about the communication. Our story on cloud started 6 years ago with customer and partner coming to us. I need to bring mobility, I need to bring collaboration capability, and at the same time, I need to bring this communication capability in any type of ecosystem. It is the application. So we've decided to build a solution called Rainbow, and it's a UCaaS solution first, Unified Communication as a Service, and it's an open platform as well. It was very important to expose API for our partner to customize the service they need to deliver for their customer. So we've built as well a platform called CPaaS, and both UCaaS and CPaaS can talk together. So the opportunity for us, one is the 40 million users we have on the field on which we need to bring additional value. Second is for us to make highly trusted advisor for our partner. So far, 2,600 partners are leveraging our Rainbow capability to bring additional value. Okay. The opportunity is way beyond that. Now, if you look at our customer, we consider that there is three main components in an organization. There is the human people. This is where we start from, where we bring mobility, sophonie, collaboration. There is the object, and this is something new. You see different type of object depending on the industry you are in. IoT, you see car in a smart city. So this object are of value for us on which we are connecting the human and the object together. And each organization, they have process on which we need to integrate ourselves as well. So our approach is to say Rainbow will be in the middle of the human, of the object, and the process to automate as much as we can the different operation and to take the best value out of each of the three components.
Okay. And what are the biggest challenges facing your industry right now?
So it really depends on which customer you are talking with. If you are talking with a small customer, I think it's an easy play. It's a rip and replace. If my technology works fine, why to change it? So they keep that, or they do a rip and replace and they go with a cloud solution. Now, when it comes to the mid-size or large customer, it's a different story. The first thing is what I have today. What is the technology I'm using, and what is the outcome I'm generating for my user. The challenge we have is where do we want to bring this customer, and what exactly this customer wants to do. So as long as you know what they want to do and from where they are starting in terms of technology standpoint, that's the first step to cover. And then this is the journey from the existing technology to the final outcome. We are here with our partner to be the trusted advisor, to make the best of our technology, to deliver the best outcome for our customer. Because in the way our customer are thinking is also, do I want to change the experience of my own customer or my own user with the technology? So the risk we have today is because we have a technology vendor is to stick on the technology, but think more about the user outcomes that we want to deliver. That's one of the challenge. We are also coming from an infrastructure layer, and we are going more and more into the services space. We are leveraging a go-to-market which is used to sell solution. So with our partner, we need to learn together on how we become a trusted advisor into the services space. That's another challenge. And it's also about security. So I think we need to spend a bit of time here, because when it comes to cloud, one of the questions we have from the customer is, yes, but if I put my data in the cloud, how do ensure that I do not put at risk the value of my company? So here we have different approach to tackle that. The first one is to have different type of architecture. We have the hybrid architecture, so meaning that we keep a system on-prem, and we use services in the cloud, and we bridge the gap together. We have the public cloud, so we go from on-prem to a full cloud approach. This is what we are capable to do. Or you have some other customer in some specific industry, let's take government, healthcare, or even education. Yes, they want service delivered from the cloud, but they still want to get the control of this technology. So we are asked to bring the same level of service into a private data center. So this is also what we are capable to do. So we have today a government institute, even in Australia, using our technology into their own data center with the ability to operate the service. So that's critical. Another thing in terms of security is about the certification. You cannot go in any industry today without having some specific certification. So we are investing a lot on certification for healthcare, for education, or for public institute in order to comply with the requirement of our customer. So that's about the challenge we observe with the market today.
Can you tell us about the Cloud Partner Award that was given out today?
Yeah, so today we've been pleased to award one partner in Australia, which is DXC. Why? Because they are quite successful into the journey to transform their business into a pure cloud business, and once they leverage their existing customer, because they have a trusted relation with their customers, so they are able to take the best of this customer, and they are capable to leverage our portfolio in order to bring additional value to that. And we can say that they've been quite successful, not only into one specific vertical. I think today they are playing in the healthcare, into the education. They clearly understand where we go, and they are investing with us. When we say they are investing in technology, but also in skill set. And for a partner, the challenge is what I have today in terms of skill set, where I want to go in terms of technology tomorrow, and how can I bring my existing skill set to another layer in order to get, if we are talking about sales, when we talk about cloud, it's having a consultative selling approach, which is different to what we have today. for an engineer is to be the technology in the cloud is totally different to what we are using on-prem. So they are clearly in their transformation path, quite successful, and monetization is there with delivering a new recurring revenue, which is very important for any organization today.
And how can any new potential partners work with you? Do you sell directly or through the channel or MSPs?
So we rely on our partners. That's the first thing. I mean, we've been in an indirect model for years. We want to stick in this model because this is our key asset with the customer of our partner. That's very important. So we will stick with this model, and we are here to enable our existing partner in order to go to the next step and into their cloud transformation. Because we have also a solution capable to deliver cloud service, we are also engaging with new type of partner, service partner. We have a cloud telephony platform capable to bundle our cloud telephony service with the traffic of the service provider. So the service provider is another target for us, and so we are in the process to acquire different partner. For them, it's an opportunity because they need as well to value the service on top of their traffic, and what we bring to them is clearly an opportunity. We've started with our cloud telephony called Rainbow Hub in Europe. We are in the process to bring the solution in Asia Pacific, and Australia is definitively a key country in which we want to grow.
That's excellent. Sam Torbill, thank you very much.
Thank you.